Hi Merchant Words fam, my name is Bailey. I am on the marketing team here at Merchant Words, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the different aspect of our tool to find the best keywords for your listing optimization. Let's go ahead and dive on in. I'd like to start with Keyword Multiplier. It will give you all of the related terms and synonyms. So we're going to type in baking dish. It's one of my favorite examples. So as you can see, it's going to give us a great selection of words, and that's why I like to use it. It gives you terms to start your research that you might not have thought of by yourself. So the one that catches my eye is oven dish. So we're going to click on there, and it's going to pop us on over to the classic search tool. So here you're going to be able to see the search volume, depth, seasonality, something I'm sure you're used to. And so I like a lot of these keywords, but the one that is really speaking to me the most is oval oven dish. It's a little different. It doesn't have too high of a search volume, not too low. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to save that to my collection, as I will be doing for all of the keywords that I really like. So baking dish, add, there you go. So now I'm going to look into it a little further. I'm going to draw your attention to this little bar graph. This is going to open our keyword history and analysis panel. It gives you supply side data from Amazon as well as trend data for how this keyword has been performing over the last year. So one of the things I love to look at is if it's going up. So you have your dips and rises throughout the year, but overall with this green line, it's going up. So it's good. That's what you're looking for. And so then I'm going to do more and dig even further. Let's look at the products on page 1. So this is our page 1 tool. It's going to pull you right in to live data from Amazon. This is a replica of the first page of Amazon, but it's cleaned up. It looks beautiful. You can see if you're priced in or out of a market. But the two columns that I really like to look at are the reviews and the star rating. This lets you know whether or not an Aysen is performing well. So if you have a high number of reviews, we use that instead of sales. And so you can see that at least 270 people have bought this product and they like it. It's got a 4.5 star rating. So we're actually going to dive in further because you want to borrow what the people with the best listings are doing. So by clicking this Aysen, we're actually going to go to Aysen Plus. That's our reverse Aysen tool. So on this page, we're going to see all of the keywords that this Aysen is ranking for on the first page of Amazon. So as you can see, that's over 5,000 terms. It's very impressive. They're doing really well. And so look in here, you can see reviews on the page and results. So those are the two ones that I like to look at. And results will really tell you how many people are selling it. So this is how many products match this search term on Amazon. And so I'm going to find some more that I really like. I want to make sure that this is low while the reviews remain high. They're still kind of buying this product and looking at it. So these are ones that I really love. Look at this lasagna dish. 1,000 results and a lot more reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and save that to my baking dish collection. Love it. And I'm going to keep looking and really find these niche keywords and make sure that I add them to my collection so that I can later put them in my listing and totally rock it. I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much, and remember, be awesome.